Trying to make a waterfall. Trying to dig the mouth for it. Oh, there he is, Mr. Operator. Beautiful day in Fort Worth, Texas. Good little digging machine. This is this Kubota. Yeah, it's a nice one. Perfect for working around houses and foundations. A little pusher blade on the front. Of course, you gotta have somebody that can run it without tearing up too much. This water's got a lot of groundwater. Of course, this is where it all starts, and it's running all the way around the house. And just collecting down here at the bottom.